If you have an account with a prop firm that has a consistency rule like the one that I have, this Google Sheet may just save your life. Don't go anywhere. All right, so legal stuff is I am not a financial consultant or advisor or anything like that. I'm just sharing with you some information and education that maybe will help you in your Forex journey as well. So if you get something out of this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. Would love a thumbs up. It would really help out the channel as well. So there are several prop firms out there today. If you know anything about prop firms, first of all, they make their money because you fail. That's how they make their money, okay? They make the majority of their money, not because there are traders who have passed their prop fund challenges and now they're on a live account. They make the bulk of their money because people buy accounts with them and then fail. And so you get a $100,000 account for, I don't know, $400, $450 or something like that, or whatever it is. And you get halfway through phase one and you break the drawdown rule or something like that. You don't get a refund. They bank your $450, right? So that's how they make their money. Well, there are some of these prop firms who have what is called a consistency rule, and different ones have different kinds of consistency rules. This particular one that I'm talking about is MDP Funding. M Solutions is also another one. Their consistency rule is exactly the same. And so this video is not explaining what the consistency rule is. It is about how to use this Google Sheet that I created so that you can defeat the consistency rule. Basically, the consistency rule is this, is that they're going to get an average lot size out of all of your trades. They're going to add all of these up, divide them. So if you got 3 trades, they're going to add 1, 2, 3. They're going to divide it by 3. That's going to be your average lot size. Then they're going to add 100% to that, which is going to be your high range. They're going to subtract 75% of that, which is your low range. So this sheet does it all for you. All you have to do is take the time to record each and every single one of your trades, all of the lot sizes. You don't have to have the profit and loss and the commissions in here. That's just something that I wanted, but I do put that in there. That way I can have a running total of my total profit and loss that I've had, my net profit or loss, which takes out my commissions. It shows me my average lot. So right now this sheet has added up every single one of these trades that I have here and given me my average lot size. Every single trade that you make, this range, the high to the low range, fluctuates. And if you don't have something like this, you're going to have to figure out what that range is every single trade that you take. So that's what this thing does. So here's all you got to do, right? I already put in my first trade for today. I had an incredible morning trading USD CAD. Well, no, I canceled that one. That one didn't give me an entry. USD CHF, Euro USD, and Pound USD. You see several different ones of these because I enter with one using this trade manager. I enter with one trade. See how my USD CAD is 4.32 lot size? Then I will divide that up. I will take 3 different partials out of that, so that 4 1/3 lot size will be divided up into 3, which keeps me in my consistency rule. So this is the very first one that I have recorded. It was USD CHF. I put that right here in this box. Over here, I put my lot size, which was 0.69, and then I put my profit made, which was 85.40, and then I put my commission, which was $3.45 right here. You do not have to put the negative in here. All right, the equation, the formula already adds all of your commissions up and then subtracts them from your profit, okay? And so when I added this in right here, what it did was it changed my average lot size, my range high, and my range low. Let me put in my next trade so you can see how this works. My next one is Euro USD. My lot size is 0.73. My profit was 90.52. And my commission was $365. So now when you come back up here, look at that number now. Woo! Average lot size, I mean, obviously you're going to round up or down depending on what it is. My average lot size is 1.55. My range high is 3.1, and my range low is 0.39. All right. Any of these trades now that are outside of this range, on the high side, 3.25, or on the range low side, underneath that, which I have a US 30, yeah, US 31 was a profitable one. This $4.86 when I submit for my withdrawal is going to be thrown out. I do not get to include that, okay? This AUD USD does not count. It was a negative, so they just don't pay attention to that one. Same thing with GU here. That was a loser, and so that one won't get thrown out either, although that one fits in the range, you know. I think I was thinking of this one, SPX 500. It's 3.24, so it's outside of the range. If this was a profitable trade, it would be thrown out, all right? That's all this is. That's all this thing is you're taking your account history, every single one of these trades. If you just keep up with it one by one, you won't get behind, and you'll be able to see exactly what this range is right here. You'll be able to stay within it, stay safe, so that you can get the most profit out of your prop firm that is trying to throw this consistency rule at you to try to make you fail so that they can get to keep your registration fee that you paid to get the prop firm account in the first place. That's how it works. I got a link down there, down below, for this Google Sheet that you can download and make a copy for yourself. Obviously, if your rule does not work like mine, you don't want to use this, but if it does, it is an amazing, fabulous tool for you to be able to use. If you got something out of this video, would love for you to hit that thumbs up and maybe that subscribe button as well. That really will help the channel and our momentum. Remember this, I always say this, here it is right here. I always have this in front of me. I always have. It's not about how much can I get, it's about how much is enough. That mindset alone will put you ahead of 90% of the traders around the entire globe. Thank you for watching Next Level Forex. I hope you got something out of this. Till next time, you be blessed.